This is going to be a video tutorial on how to set up your Telegram account to delete automatically. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I am on my phone now and I have the Telegram app opened up. To set up your account to delete automatically if you're away for a while, the way to do that, first thing you want to do is go down to the bottom, down to the little settings icon, tap on settings, and then under settings, you want to scroll down a little ways, down to where you see it says privacy and security, tap on privacy and security. Then you want to scroll down a ways. Right in this area, automatically delete my account. If away for, it says down below that, if you do not come online at least once within this period, your account will be deleted along with all of your messages and contacts. I'm going to tap where it says 18 months. You could set it for 1 month. If you're away for 1 month, your account will automatically delete. 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, or 24 months. Down below that, it has a delete account now button. But if I wanted to set it to delete, if I'm away for 24 months, I'll tap on 24. That is how to automatically delete your Telegram account. Thanks for watching.